Won't ask another question. Good morning. I'm Elah Hale. It's March. It's a little bit cold and I'm about to go out. I have a long day. So I wanted to bring you along and show you what I'm gonna wear. Bye. Okay, so I have a bunch of stuff to do today. I have to run some errands. I have to go to the post office. I have a studio session. I'm gonna make some music. And I want to choose an outfit. So I thought I would bring you along and show you what I'm choosing between. Okay, so this is my first outfit. It's a ringer tee with just some mom jeans. I feel like it's really fun, like sort of like 70s school. I feel like I was putting it on just because it makes you comfortable and happy. I feel like I look really cute in it. And I'm gonna put my hair 2 pieces down and the rest up. I feel like that really complements the outfit. I'll show you so you can see what I'm talking about. I feel like that makes the most sense for me in my mind. Let me look. Yeah, I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I'll show you in my mirror the full outfit. I actually decided I think I'm gonna do hair down just because I think it made more sense for me. It's really cute. Look, I'll show you. We'll just slowly zoom in together. It's just fun. I wanna like go take selfies in this right now. Okay, so here it is, simple gray crew neck over top. I like it because the white of the ringer shows, gives more detail, it hits me really well, and I stay warm, which is a 10 out of 10. So yeah, this outfit's really cute, I'm really happy with it, and I'll show you the next one because it's also very fun. So, this is the outfit. All white, got the white hoodie. Just brings it to a perfect, warm completion. I feel like if I got too hot, I'd tie it around my chest like that, and we'd be good to go. Won't ask another question. It's okay, I'm your secret. On my way. Okay, so I've journaled, I've read, I ate a lot of frozen pizza, or cold pizza, not frozen, and done a lot of stalling. So I'm finally on my way to the post office. Thank you for hanging out with me, and thank you for helping me pick an outfit. The red one has won. That's what is being worn to the post office. I'm gonna flex on everyone a little bit. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you for this. Bye.